Hi there, Kingsfield Cubs. Today I want to show you a quick way to add a school profile for your student on your home Windows or Mac computer for those of you who have decided to use home computers as opposed to Chromebooks from the school. What we use on our Chromebooks is this page here. Our students are greeted with this page as well as their district core page as they log into a Chromebook. So what we can do is set up a Google Chrome profile on your home computer so that they can have something that's a little more familiar to them and a little more easy to access school-related items on your computers. So what we do is you have to have the Google Chrome browser, and in the upper right-hand corner you'll either see your picture if you have set one up, or you can just click on the little people icon that would be right here and you can click add. You can pick a picture and name your student. You can put in their name. I'm just going to put your student here. And leave this part checked. Create a desktop shortcut for this user. I'm going to click add. And all students have a Chrome sign-in or Google sign-in as of this point. So I'm going to click here to sign in. I have borrowed one of our students' user IDs so that we can create this tutorial. It would be your student's number at ecsd.me, and then we click next. This page is familiar to most all students by this point, and you can ask them what's your numbers here, and most of them know how to do this. But it would be the student number in the top half and then their password in the bottom. If you're unfamiliar with the password layout, please reach out to your teacher. We're going to click sign in. And you can click save here to give that a little more ease of access for your student. I'm going to click no because this is my work computer. But again, you can click save on your home computer. I'm going to click continue. And here we're going to link data. And for turning on sync, we're going to say yes, I'm in. And this starts to download all of the things that we have pushed out to our students. Bookmarks, apps from the district, and the home button, which would be their familiar Symbaloo page. This gives you quick access to the core, as well as our Kingsfield website and other school-related items. When you're done using your student's profile, you can simply go back up to the top and choose your other profile. If you have questions, please reach out to your teacher. Our IT support is reaching out to them as quickly as we can to help support during these school closures. We hope everyone is home, well, and safe.